Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hotkey Highlights brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about macros. When you open up an Xactimate 28 estimate, and you're looking at this screen that pops up with the Tools tab here, you don't see macros anywhere like you do if you were in the Estimate Items tab, and normally it's on Search, and you can go to macros and take a look. But I want to graphically estimate, as is taught in many Xactimate classes, as in ours. You have an option of using your mouse and clicking a bunch of different buttons. So you can go to the Options tab, and you can go over to Macros, and you can click the drop down, and it'll bring up the first few that are there or most recently used, and then you can go to the macro list, and you can take a look at them that way. But that was a lot of clicking. This is hotkey highlights for a reason. If I click anywhere in the main level, outside any of the rooms I've sketched, and I hit Control, Alt, and M, it'll bring up my macro list, and I can run that macro, and it will apply it to the main level. As I'll show you in Estimate Items, that is in the main level. If I select the room itself, and then I hit Control Shift M, my apologies, Control Alt M, it will bring up my macro list, and it will run it specifically in that room. That way I can graphically estimate super efficiently and throw in all the macros that I want to in any particular room right after sketching, staying in the Sketch tab. This has been another Hotkey highlight. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.